This little bird is very beautiful. She has a beautiful voice. She sings so beautifully. I love her singing. She can also dance beautifully. Look at her. She dances in the music. The music is playing. She dances when the music stops. She stops. This little bird is very cute. I want to touch her. Oh, she's so soft. I love this little bird. This little bird is my friend. We play together every day. We sing together. We dance together. She's the best friend a girl could ask for. Do you have a friend like this? If you do, please take care of her. Please make sure she's always happy because friends like her are very rare.